Alrighty, so in this episode, we're going to be swapping out the shackles. I don't know if the light will pick it up or not, but it's missing the bushings. There you go. Now these shackles don't have any identification. So I spent at least 4 hours online trying to match them up with images online. And it took me a while. That's pretty bad. And with the way these shackles were, with no bushings on it, you could actually feel that. It felt like the truck was just going off to the left. When you give it gas, it would just veer off in a different direction. It's amazing how not having bushings on there will do that. So after extensive research, I didn't want to get Beltec. I didn't want to get nothing expensive. I mean, it's just temporary. This is eventually going to have a CPP trailing arm kit on it, or a I can't remember the name of the other company, but there's only 2 companies that make it, and it's like 60 something to 72, where they don't have the leaf springs, but they have like trailing arms that go right into the center frame of the frame, and it gives it a heck of a better ride too. So that's later on down the road. Anywho, I found the replacements, and they're from Superior. And if you're looking for these, if you're looking for a drop kit, these were already on the truck. But they dropped the truck pretty nice. If you're looking for a drop kit, here's the part number for this one, 134100. It drops up to 2 inches. Gives you all your specs. 13-42 will drop up to 2 inches. That's mainly for like the Ford trucks. That's like a 3-inch leaf spring with a 3.5-inch shackle width. The ones I have now are 2.5-inch leaf springs with a 3-inch wide shackle width. The 4300 will do a 1-inch drop, and it's the exact same replacement. Because the other ones that we're looking at, I even ordered some and had to return them. I needed the dimensions from center to center, which this one's 7.5 inches. 7.5 inches from here to here. And that's what this one was, and that's how I found these, because I measured them at the auto parts. But anyways, once again, if you're looking for a good 2-inch drop kit, it's 13-4100, and it's from Superior. So I'm not going to use any power tools. I'm going to do it all by hand. There's a lot of parts of the videos that I'll be speeding up. And we'll go from there. All right, let's see how fast we can get these off. That's pretty easy. It's almost too easy. And these basically come right out. You need to jack up the frame so this thing don't pop on you. Don't ever trust it. Don't ever put your hands in there. That's why. There's some of the bushing, but they're basically the same one. They're cheap. They're only like 54 bucks. All right, let me grab some anti-seize. Didn't even get a chance to press play on that thing, so you just missed a little bit of it. Be sure you use your anti-seize. Can't go wrong with this stuff. All right, so let's see what it's going to take to get this to meet it back up to the top. Jack it up. Oh, that wasn't bad at all. Get your anti-seize. And tighten that baby up. I don't know if there's a specific torque, but I'm just going to put them on tight. They ain't coming apart. Want to make sure the bottom's tight too. Lower it. That's what she looks like when she's complete. Definitely not going to have side wobble like it used to. Alright, so you saw how easy it is just to replace one. I'm just going to go ahead and do the other side just to make a complete video. But I'm assuming from factory original, the nut goes on the outside, and on the bottom one the nut goes on the inside. That's how it was when I took it apart. Then again, these have been replaced, so I don't know if that's the actual way it's supposed to be. No, you can't see that. Alright, let me move the let me see if I can do it from right here. Yeah, let me get a... Yeah, that's bad. All right, real simple, folks. Here it goes. Here it goes. There it went. Bye-bye bushings. And I guarantee you that's because these are cheap. They don't even have a Zerk. That's what that groove's for. If you had a Zerk in it, it'd stay greased. Brand new. Sure you grease it up. Whoever changed these before didn't put the washers back on, which I don't like. I'll probably get some washers later, but just for the video's sake, that's how I'm putting them back on for now. Alright, so you'll want to get your jack, and you'll want to jack the frame up until your shackle can get into that hole. Get your bolt lubed up. Tighten her up. I'm not going to fully snug them until I get the chassis down on its own weight. Lower it. Tighten it. All right, so real quick recap. Here are the old ones. So you can see the bushings are bad, both of them. In reality, this job could have been done in 30 minutes. It's surprisingly quick. If I was doing all the filming and everything, it would have been like 30 minutes. But that's how easy they are to put on. And I mean, this, obviously, they're doing their job. That's all it is for drop shackles. If you have drop shackles, you might want to check the bushings if your truck's feeling a little loose or feels weird when you accelerate, because that'll do it if it doesn't have any bushings on it. And they do dry out because, like I said, these are cheap, and I'm pretty sure that those are cheap poly bushings. As you can see, they're gonna dry out. There's no zerks. Unless you have one with a zerk, you better make sure you keep it greased up. Other than that, that's it, folks. Thanks for watching. If you like the video, please subscribe. It'll help my channel to grow. And I've got more videos coming out on this.